Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Phonics. Letter A. A is for apple. Apple. A is for ant. Ant. A is for airplane. Airplane. A is for anchor. Anchor. A is for arrow. Arrow. A is for alligator. Alligator. A is for astronaut. Astronaut. Now you know it. Let's repeat it and do it again. Get ready. Here we go. A. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for airplane. A is for anchor. A is for arrow. A is for alligator. A is for astronaut. Phonics. Letter B. B. B is for ball. Ball. B is for bat. Bat. B is for balloon. Balloon. B is for butterfly. Butterfly. B is for bottle. Bottle. B is for bag. Bag. B is for bus. Bus. B is for banana. Banana. Now you know it. Let's repeat it and do it again. Get ready. Here we go. B. B is for ball. B is for bat. B is for balloon. B is for butterfly. B is for bottle. B is for bag. B is for bus. B is for banana. Phonics. Letter C. C is for car. Car. C is for candle. Candle. C is for cake. Cake. C is for camel. Camel. C is for cow. Cow. C is for cat. Cat. C is for cap. Cap. C is for carrot. Carrot. C is for candy. Candy. C is for coat. Coat. Now you know it. Let's repeat it and do it again. Get ready. Here we go. C. C is for car. C is for candle. C is for cake. C is for camel. C is for cow. C is for cat. C is for cap. C is for carrot. C is for candy. C is for coat. Phonics letter D. D is for dog. D, dog. D is for drum. D, drum. D is for donkey. D, donkey. D is for door. D, door. D is for dinosaur. D, dinosaur. D is for duck. D, duck. D is for dragon. D, dragon. D is for doll. D, doll. D is for dolphin. D, dolphin. Now you know it. Let's repeat it and do it again. Get ready. Here we go. D. D is for dog. D is for drum. D is for donkey. D is for door. D is for dinosaur. D is for duck. D is for dragon. D is for doll. D is for dolphin. Phonics letter E. E is for egg. Egg. E is for elephant. Elephant. E is for eggplant. Eggplant. E is for engine. Engine. E is for exit. Exit. E is for excavator. Excavator. E is for elbow. Elbow. E is for envelope. Envelope. E is for exercise. Exercise. Now you know it. Let's repeat it and do it again. Get ready. Here we go. E. E is for egg. E is for elephant. E is for eggplant. E is for engine. E is for exit. E is for excavator. E is for elbow. E is for envelope. E is for exercise. Thanks a billion for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.